How to log into your Epic Games account. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how you can easily download or you can sign into the Epic Games account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. The first thing you need to do is open up your web browser on your PC and then simply search for Epic Games and hit enter. The top result will be the official website. Go ahead and open it up. And once you land on the homepage for Epic Games website, you will have multiple options on the top right corner. So if you want to download the store app on your laptop or your phone, you can simply tap on the download button to start downloading the app. And if you want to sign in, you can go ahead and tap on this option. Now here are multiple ways that you can sign in. So if you've connected any of these to your account, like your Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, Steam, Facebook, Google, Apple ID, or even your Legos account, you can directly log in from these. But if you want to go the old-fashioned way, you can just go ahead and enter your email address here. And once you have done that, you can just enter your valid password and simply tap on sign in. If you've forgotten your password, you can go ahead and click on forgot password to reset it. I'm not going to do that right now. If in case you have forgotten it, you can directly reset your password link and your reset link will be sent to your email. So I'm just going to log into my account now. And once you have entered your email and your password, if you have set up two-factor verification, you will have to enter a 6-digit code that will be sent to your email. So I'm just going to check the code on my email right here. And once you get the code, you can simply enter the code and then you will be able to log into your account. So here I've just entered my code, and if you want to confirm your two-factor authentication method, go ahead and tap on confirm. And once you do that, you'll have to accept to its terms and conditions. And now you should land on the homepage of your Epic Games account. So if you want to download any games from here, you can do that and enjoy it. I hope you found this helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.